Hello everyone. Today I will show how to use Surfshark VPN on LG Smart TV. Most modern smart TVs that run on Android or Smart TV OS should have a VPN app. To install a VPN app, follow these steps. Before we start, click the link in description to try Surfshark for a great price. Go to the App Store on your LG Smart TV and search for a VPN. Download and install the app. Open the app and log in using your VPN account details. Connect to a server location of your choice. If your LG Smart TV doesn't have a VPN app, you can still use a VPN on your Smart TV by installing a VPN on your home router and connecting your LG Smart TV to that router. The primary function of a VPN router is to ensure that every device connected to your home network is protected. This means that whether you're browsing the internet on your laptop, streaming videos on your smart TV, or using your phone, your data is being encrypted by the VPN. Unlike regular routers, which only connect to the internet and route traffic without any additional security features, a VPN router adds an extra layer of privacy by securing everything that comes through it. This will have the same effect as using the VPN app on your smart TV, and it will also enable you to use a VPN on other devices connected to your home network. Another method is by sharing your VPN by creating a hotspot on a computer where you already have Surfshark VPN installed and connected. This method requires you to have a computer with a VPN already installed and connected. Here are the quick steps to set up a VPN hotspot. Open Network and Internet settings on your computer. Click on Mobile Hotspot and enable it by toggling the switch at the top. Underneath these options, press Edit and set a name and password for your VPN hotspot. Find an option for more network adapter options and click on it. Identify the Mobile Hotspot adapter and Surfshark VPN adapter. Right-click on the Surfshark VPN adapter, go to Properties, and then go to the Sharing tab. Check the first box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. In the Home Networking Connection drop-down menu, select the mobile hotspot that you just created through the Windows settings. If you're looking for a great VPN to unblock content and increase your internet privacy, I would highly recommend Surfshark. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no risk. Click the link in the description to try Surfshark for a great price.